Díoghuit. In this video we're going to look at some useful everyday phrases in Irish. And if you want to learn more Irish words and phrases, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification where you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Cad atá ar súl agat na léitheanta seo. What are you doing with yourself these days? Cad atá ar súl agat na léitheanta seo. Táim gnóthach ag an obair. I'm busy with work, or I have a busy work schedule. Táim gnóthach ag an obair. Cad é atá tú a dhéanamh a nocht. What are you doing tonight? Cad é atá tú a dhéanamh a nocht. Tá mé ag déanamh dinéir. I'm making dinner. Tá mé ag déanamh dinéir. Or if you were doing nothing, you could say rud ar bith, which means nothing. Rud ar bith. And rud ar bith speisialta means nothing special. Rud ar bith speisialta. Our next set of useful phrases is to do with the Irish word glan, which is to clean or clear. Glan. So for example, glan suas I do dheag féin. Clean up after yourself. Glan suas I do dheag féin. Glan mé on board tar éis dinéir. I cleared the table after dinner. Glan mé on board tar éis dinéir. If you wanted to say best wishes, you could say Banach tí. Banach tí, best wishes. And good luck would be Gunyairi lat. Gunyairi lat. Gunyairi lat sin. Good luck with that. Gunyairi lat sin. Og mór could be another way of saying good luck. Og mór. Og mór ort. Agus tú ag lorg obre. Good luck with the job hunting. Og mór ort. Agus tú ag lorg obre. Good luck with the job hunting. Cearcalóir sin é slán agus banach tí.